Today we are looking at a Davis hammer mill mixer combination. We're here on the Infeed side of the hammer mill. This unit has seen very little use. It still has the factory belt with the factory green paint that came from Davis. Flipping up the protective cover here, we can take a look at the knives. They have not been turned once, and the side that has been used shows very little wear. You can see it there. We've opened the protective cover on top of the mixer. You can take a look at the ribbon or the paddles. They show very little use. This unit can grind corn or whole ear corn. It comes with two screens. This is the screen used for whole ear corn. This is the screen used for regular kernels of corn. This unit is powered by a PTO shaft that comes out the back of a tractor or power unit. The capacity of the mixer is 1 ton, 2,000 pounds. We're going to go over the operation of this unit. Your whole ear corn or just kernels of corn go in here. They're transferred into the hammer mill by this conveyor. The hammer mill breaks it up and blows it up that pipe into the cyclone and into the mixing chamber. It can then be mixed with your vitamins for livestock or anything that you want to mix it with. Then, after it's mixed, you open the gate and the feed is transferred onto this paddle conveyor. Now this paddle conveyor is variable height. This unit can be used in feedlots. It can be raised to the different height of the feed bunks or whatever container you're depositing the feed into. Just crank the lever on the winch. It raises and lowers. Note that the PTO must not be spinning or you will strip out that two-tooth cog there. To engage the hammer mill, you pull up on this, slide it forward, and then that engages the drive for the hammer mill. Now, say you've ground your corn and blown it up into the mixer. There's no need to put wear on your hammer mill, so you simply pull up on this and disengage it. Now, you can run the mixer by itself and the hammer mill will not be spinning using up power of your tractor or power unit. To engage the Infeed conveyor, simply grab the lever, moving the idler forward, putting tension on the belt, causing the conveyor to move. After you're done mixing your feed in the mixer, you then move this lever forward and it engages the outfeed conveyor. Now that I've gone over the operation of this unit and talked about the specifications, we're going to fire it up so you can see how well it runs. Again, as I said before, if you intend to use the hammer mill with the PTO not spinning, you engage the hammer mill with that two-tooth cog. You do it while it's running, you're going to strip things out. So we slowly engage the PTO, and that'll start everything turning. Comes right along, runs very smooth. Walk around to the other side of the unit. Okay, I'm ready to feed whole ear corn or kernels of corn up into the hammer mill. I start the conveyor turning. Everything works as it should. Okay, I'm done feeding the hammer mill. Pull the lever back. Okay, I've ground enough feed. I don't need to run my hammer mill anymore. So I'll shut the PTO off. Alright, now I'm done grinding feed. I've allowed the PTO to come to a stop. I can pick up on the lever, pull it back, and disengage the hammer mill. Now it's important to make sure that that lever is latched right here in this notch, or that has the ability to work forward from vibrations and then accidentally engage the hammer mill. Okay, I've ground my feed. There's feed in the mixer. I will now re-engage the PTO, nice and slow. Now I'm just running the feed mixer. You can operate this machine with everything running, but with this, there's no robbing of power from your power unit or tractor. See the ribbon turning in there? Everything works as it should, runs nice and quiet. Okay, now I've ran the unit, I've mixed up my feed, I'm ready to deposit it in a feed bunk or some kind of container. Just push over on the lever, engages, starts the conveyor. Everything works as it should. Note that that will be much quieter when there is ground feed to convey out. All around, nice unit. It's really sharp. You don't see them like this anymore. And this unit has seen very little use. The knives have never been rotated. The side that is used to grind the feed shows very little wear. And again, it has the painted factory belt that they shipped with this unit. Just an all-round nice machine. Ready to do a lot of work.